Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ahida, and I've lost a total of 9 kilos in 3 months. So my goal weight is to be 55 kilos. I'm actually 59 kilos at the moment, and I want to lose another 4. So join me on this journey, or watch my videos to, I guess, help motivate me and push me to lose the last 4 kilos. So I am taking it easier now. So I am starting to eat more. So if you guys don't know, my other videos will show that I do kind of follow the Starch Solution diet. So what I'm doing now is I am slowly adding like fats and like healthy fats into my diet. Yeah, so I know that's gonna make the weight loss much slower, but I'm not too worried about the weight now. I do want to lose that 4 kilos, but if it's gonna take, you know, another 6 months or something, that is fine. So yeah, so today I will be doing a what I eat in a day, and so yeah, just keep on watching if you want to find out what I'm eating and what I have been eating to lose the weight. So just keep on watching, guys. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love papayas. So I've planted some, and it actually looks like, oh my gosh, I haven't seen this, but actually it looks like there's some growing. What the heck? The tree's still so short. And I did all of that mess before. Here's my mint. basil is dying, which is fine. Lemongrass. And this is eggplant. Some basil. Hey guys, so I've just come back from Coles. I don't usually shop at Coles. I usually shop at Woolworths, but because Coles had our rice, jasmine rice on special, I went in there, grabbed these were on special as well, so grabbed some vegetable stock, a thing of lettuce. What are they? Green oak lettuce. And then I've got 2 of the white beans, so there's 2 there. I've got the red kidney beans as well, and then I've got some black beans, and I love this combination in soup. So I did make a soup last week that I'm having this week, and I don't know, I might make one again next week, just because it's been really cold and soup just tastes really nice during the cold weathers. And then I got a bag of carrots here. I just got 1 zucchini, 1 red onion, and 2 capsicums. So this is all I got. I usually shop twice a week so that I have fresh vegetables and fruits. So I will do another shop probably on Thursday or Friday, so depending. But this here and some of this and this will be for dinner, so I'm going to make a roasted vegetable with some of the lettuce here for dinner. So yeah, so this is just a little haul. If I do another shop at the end of this week, I might add it into this video as well. So yeah. It's really early in the morning, but I wanted to film this because I'm going to work. But this is my second shop for the week. I bought a cauliflower, looks so beautiful. I bought this bag here, which is like an Asian salad mix. It came with some crunchy noodle. I've already had half of it. This is my favorite tomato sauce, and I have that with my roasted potato chips. I did buy 2 avocados. I love avocados, but at the start of this diet I didn't have any. I am slowly starting to eat them again. Last night I had 1/4 of an avocado. I bought another bag of steel cut oaks. I buy one every week because I use half only makes, I think, for 4 days, and then I make the whole bag, the other half, on a Thursday or Friday or something like that. And so I buy one every week. And then 2 zucchini because I'm thinking of making a stir fry. So yeah, this is my second grocery haul for the week. I might even go shopping on Sunday to get some grocery for next week, or Monday. So it's either Sunday or Monday that I'll go shopping again. So I either do 2 or 3 grocery shops per week, and I don't even get much. I just like to have my veggies and fruits fresh. So yeah, and I do buy other things for my family as well. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Thank you for watching that, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed another what I ate in a day. I like, for my next one, I'm thinking of maybe doing like a sushi. I'm not too sure yet, but that may be on my next what I eat in a day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on Instagram. So I have everything linked down below, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, all my not links, all my username and stuff is down there. So if you guys want to follow me there, you can as well. Yeah, so that is all. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.